I think something that's really important, in addition to the love language that you feel, that you receive, the way that you express love is different for everybody. So for Michaela, the way that she expresses love to another person is through acts of service. So for her being able to cut my hair and provide that service to me, it's like, wow, I really love Danny. Like, it makes her love me, and I'm so grateful because she takes the time out of her day and she cuts my hair. And it's a simple thing, but it really goes a long way.
And there are times where I feel like your hair grows way too fast. And it's like, oh, just one more thing that I have to do, and I can get stressed out that way, thinking like finally it's midnight and I'm ready to go to bed, but I still have to cut your hair. Every time without fail, like I always am so glad that I have to cut his hair. Reevaluate, realize like I don't need to be stressed about all these other things. You kind of realize what's important has been a really good thing for us.
No matter how you feel love, no matter what you need to really feel connected with your spouse, cutting hair really is a great way to do it because it gets quality time. We get to talk and feel love that way, and we get to have some physical touch, some quality physical touch. It's really just like a fantastic scalp massage. I absolutely love it. But it's really been great for us.